Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aarti and this is my channel Lifeomania. So in today's video I'm going to give you my house tour because since many days my sister asking for the house tour. She keeps saying, why don't you show your house to your viewers and all, and I was like, okay, I will do it. Today I thought let's make the video. So now without any delays, let's start. Okay guys, so this is the front view of our house. And this is our mailbox, and then there are some trash cans. This is our side yard, and this is front yard, and then we have side yard here too, you can see, and then back side it's a jungle. So this is our door, and normally we like to add something on our door like decoration and all. Right now we packed most of the decoration stuff, so let's go inside. So Chloe is waiting, Boo Boo is waiting. So this is our entrance, and I love this thing. So you can sit here, you can wear shoes, and inside we have our dogs' harnesses and their collars and all. Then this is our dining table, and I don't know why this thing is not in the middle. So this decoration piece is my favorite one. Then windows here. So you already seen this view in my pictures and in my videos so many times. Just showing you one more time. This is our guest bathroom. You can see Igor did everything, by the way. He painted this wall red, and here too. And some of the people asking that why we are doing renovation if we are leaving. So guys, this is our own house. We bought this house, so before leaving we want to make sure everything is good here. So this is our living area. This is my favorite spot to sit. Before we had lots of Bruno stuff here, but now we packed it because we don't want to risk. We want to just make sure that Bruno stuff is secure. And here is my Boony with Mega. Now this is another thing which I really love. Old style telephone. Then guys, this is our kitchen. So this is also empty right now because Igor's coffee stuff is somewhere else right now. Then here's a closet for putting extra kitchen stuff, utensils and all. And this is my favorite part of my kitchen. So I love these containers for rice, for flour, and this is my new baby. I just recently bought this, so this makes this set complete. And of course gas and all, and you already seen my kitchen many times in my videos. Clean kitchen, I like it. We out of the paper towels, so I need to buy some. And then this is the place where I do my utensils. And here are my babies. They are growing. You know what? I already used some of my coriander, and homegrown coriander tastes so amazing. And this is our dishwasher. Right now it's empty. And this is the place where I do most of my bakings. Our backyard, which I share every day with you guys. Come. Woody. Okay. Woody like to do some drama. Come on. Here you go. So this is our downstairs portion and kitchen. And yes, we have some more closets here. Like this. You can put some extra stuff here. We have our vacuums here. And here we have the shoes and all. And it's like Wi-Fi system over there. So when you enter the house, you're gonna see our dining area, then our guest bathroom, closets, and then this hallway. So this is it here. And now let's go upstairs. Tum, 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 tum. So this radio I gifted to Igor on his birthday. He loved, you know, antique stuff and all. And this is our little baby. Now let's start with Igor's office. Hey husband, what you doing? Gaming?
No, I'm working with signatures.
Don't lie. 10 minutes before you were playing games.
Yeah, but now I need to sign this thing, so we don't.
Okay. So this is Igor's office. So here is one shelf. Lots of stuff we already packed, guys. Here is another table with lots of chargers. Here is my tripod and my microphone. I'm not using microphone right now because it's very difficult to handle such long microphone when you walk and talk. Here is the view of our side yard, and we can see yard of other neighbors too. And here is the closet. So you can find these kind of closets in every American house, but I can't say that every closet is this big. It depends on the size of your house, how big your house is. So this closet is pretty big. Bye bye Gablu. Now next to office we have this washer and dryer area. So this is our washer and this is our dryer, and here you can also see your neighborhood and a beautiful sky. Here these gundas are playing. Next is our bathroom. Some of the stuff I have right now in a bathroom. This is our bathtub here, and some of my other stuff. And this is our another bedroom. We have some stuff here, and this is also my puja place. Windows and another closet. So in this closet Igor keep his, you know, civilian clothes, and in his office closet he keep his you know, military clothes. And don't think it's some kind of utensils, it's a military stuff. I don't know what they do with this. Hangers, see, laundry stuff. Then this is our third bedroom. This is the smallest one, you can see. And here also you have closet. So much stuff in this one. See, there's a Bruno there and more clothes of Igor. Now let me show you our bedroom. This is our bedroom. And I have a closet here too. Packed stuff. See, lots of caps. Igor love caps. There's more stuff here, some extra stuff. So this closet is pretty big, and it's just best of the closet of our house, I feel. And then we have our bathroom here. Pretty bathroom. This setting I love so much. Toothbrush and all. So guys, we used to have very fancy toothbrush holders, but you know, problem is that fancy one you know, gets so much water inside and they get dirty very soon. So this one is pretty easy to wash. So this is our, I don't know, this is a very big bathtub. We never used it, to be very honest. It's just for decoration for us. I don't know if you guys gonna call it jacuzzi or what, but this is a very big, and it's very deep also. Then we have this another shower area. So this looks very pretty, the whole setting here. Looks very pretty. Then this. So this is our beautiful bathroom, and here is another closet. And this closet basically a room of my Maggie. You sleepy doo. Sleep Baba, sleep. I kissed Maggie so much. Kudu kudu. Maggie just resting here. What are you doing on my computer?
Where's the email? Were you deleting something again?
No, I will let you know. Just give me a minute.
You need to sign it.
Yeah. I'm going to sign it. So that's all, guys. This is our house, which we're going to leave soon. I am sad too, but it's okay. It's a part of life. But it's a beautiful house and everything is so good here. So I'm ending this video here, and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, stay safe and take care. Bye.